Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pretty hyperlink in Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to make your email campaigns look clean and professional while directing your subscribers to important links without cluttering your message with long URLs. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Mailchimp website by typing mailchimp.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can access your dashboard smoothly. After logging in, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all your email marketing magic happens, and it's the central hub for creating and managing your email campaigns. Once you're in the Campaigns section, click on Create Campaign. From the options that appear, select Email, then choose Regular. You'll be prompted to type in a name for your campaign, something that helps you identify it later. Once you've named it, click Begin to move forward. Now you'll need to enter your campaign details. This includes filling out the to and from fields, which tell your recipients who the email is coming from and who it's going to. Don't forget to add a compelling subject line, as this is what grabs your audience's attention in their inbox. Next, hover your cursor over the right part of the screen where it says Design Email. Here you can select a template or create your own design from scratch. Choose one that fits the style and tone of your message. Once you're in the email editor, you'll want to add a text block. You can do this by dragging it from the content block menu on the right side of your screen. This text block is where you'll create your pretty hyperlink. Click inside the text block you just added and type or paste the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. For example, you might write something like visit our site or check out our latest offers. This is the text your readers will click on. Now highlight the specific text you want to link. This step is crucial because it tells Mailchimp exactly which words should become clickable. Once the text is highlighted, click the chain link icon in the toolbar at the bottom of the editor. This icon is your gateway to adding hyperlinks. In the link dialog box that appears, select web address from the drop-down menu. This tells Mailchimp you're linking to an external website. Paste your URL into the field, for example, tutorialslab.lat. If you want the link to open in a new browser window, click on Advanced Options and check Open in New Window. This is a good practice as it keeps your email open while allowing readers to explore your link. Once everything looks good, click Insert. Then click Save and Close at the bottom of your screen to apply all your changes. Before sending your campaign out to your subscribers, it's always smart to preview the email. Click Preview to see how it will look in an inbox and make sure to test the hyperlink to confirm it's working correctly. Once you're satisfied, save your work and proceed to send your campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pretty hyperlink in Mailchimp that looks professional and guides your readers exactly where you want them to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.